2, 3.
Go!
Go!
Get it out of there. Here, pick it up and put it over here. Put it down here. Drop it. And go hit it. Say, go, ball.
Go!
Whoa, wrong way.
Hey, you got your hands up, so put your hands back here. Ready?
Whoa, go do it again. There, good job back. Yeah. Oh, almost, again. Yeah. There it is.
I'm playing baseball.
You're playing golf.
I'm playing golf.
Yeah. Watch your vacuum. Okay, here you go. Let's try it this way, ready? Watch, I'll put it out here in the middle. Okay. Watch this. We'll stand up here. Hold it back there, like this. Put it back in here. Okay, ready? Put this hand here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
We just got baseball.
Yeah, golf.
I got a golf.
You're good at golf?
I'm
Okay,
playing
let me
golf.
see you go hit it.
Get it.
Yeah!
Baseball.
It's golf, baby.
Golf. Golf. Golf.
Watch the wall, golfer. Put it out in the middle. Put it out in the middle. Show mommy how you hit it. Back. Yeah!
Yeah!
Good job. Try again. Oh boy. What's going on? Hold on.
Watch out.
Hold on, let me help you. Let me help you. Stand up.
No.
I'm gonna help you. Watch. You gotta back up. Put your hands on it again. Remember? One hand here. One hand here. Ready? 1. Let's get that one. 2.
Oh,
Oh, we got her!
you got it. Let me do it again.
Yeah. Back up a little. Hold on. Good job. Now, hold on. Do this. Do it again. Do it again. Right now. Do it again. Swing again. Back how you were. Swing. Right there. Swing. Yeah!
Yay!
See, you were too close before. When you back up, you hit it.